Are you excited about the direction robotics is taking? What if I told you that Tesla, the well-known electric car manufacturer, will revolutionize the humanoid robot market forever with the Tesla robot Optimus? Many people are dubious about this decision, but tech-focused YouTuber Dave Lee thinks the Optimus robot deserves a chance and has big things in store for us Tesla bulls who are prepared to wait. We'll look at Dave's opinions about the possible market for Optimus in this video. Elon Musk's remarkable history of founding several companies and Tesla's track record. We'll also talk about the difficulties Tesla previously had and how it overcame them to emerge as a leader in the electric car market. Come along with us as we investigate the potential of the Tesla Optimus robot and how it might completely alter our perception of robotics. So settle down, click the like and subscribe buttons, and let's get this movie going. Dave Lee is a YouTuber who posts reviews, news, and commentary on a variety of technology-related items and services, such as computers, gaming consoles, cell phones, and other gadgets. With more than 1 million subscribers, Dave Lee's channel is well known for its in-depth and educational content. In one of his videos, we'll discuss his opinions on the Tesla robot. Dave Lee recently got back from attending TSLA Day, where he had a great time. He observed that people's reactions to the announcement of the Optimus prototype ranged from saying it was garbage to saying it would take over the world. Dave thinks it's easy to judge something so early on, and that Tesla's Optimus robot should be given 3 main considerations. They had to speak with a number of the engineers leading the teams at the event, and his impression was that these are small teams that are still growing, and that Tesla is still in the early stages of building Optimus. The focus is on building something that's useful in the shortest amount of time and learning a lot along the way. Another important factor for the Optimus robot is going to be the product market fit. The market has a huge potential. Elon Musk has been successful in creating multiple companies. Finally, Tesla is putting a lot of money into building the greatest infrastructure teams, with knowledge in computing and training to succeed in the real world. This is because they have their brains, which is AI. Dave thinks that Tesla can take advantage of the market for robots and AI robots, and that the company has the potential to redefine actuators and what a robot body can be. However, the real question is whether this project will be a big hit for the company. They have the right path to market by aiming for an affordable, youthful robot first, maybe using its factories, and eventually ending up at the consumer's home. Although the project has drawn criticism from critics, Musk asserts that Tesla will become the world's largest company and that humanoid robots will surpass economic boundaries. This implies that Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, may become one of the most lucrative and significant products in history. Originally designed to carry out hazardous, tedious, or repetitive tasks, the robot's abilities and skills are poised to expand its utility across numerous global markets. Elon Musk has multiple options to make Optimus a successful company. Despite the skepticism surrounding the Tesla Optimus robot, the most adventurous investors are the ones who are willing to follow along with Elon Musk, sharing the excitement of taking what has been reserved for science fiction and bringing it to reality. Tesla could sell a hardware or provide service-based fleets or robots. But consumers who purchase the Tesla bot directly will likely gain access to a vast app store that dwarfs any existing app store today. Each app could download in a matter of seconds, providing highly useful functionalities that affect the physical space. From going grocery shopping to building a house, or even learning Kung Fu into reality, the world is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and with it comes new opportunities and technologies that were once thought impossible. Just these people now pay a few dollars to download an app to their phones, and the future Optimus will be on par with human capability, and the value of each app could potentially be worth as much as a career. This means that apps may sell for thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars based on their usefulness. In the real world, Optimus is set to revolutionize the way we look at robots. It will come with its operating system, including basic functionality like communication and movement. However, people will pay to add features and make their bot more sophisticated over time. Therefore, Optimus is only limited by our imagination. Despite its potential, the way investors value companies seems to be completely broken. For example, Tesla is valued solely on their vehicle business, even though CEO Elon Musk stated on multiple occasions that Tesla Energy, which is a very real business today, will eventually be just as large as the automotive division. Unfortunately, it's either not clear or large enough of business today for people to add it to their financial modeling or projections, which means Optimus is clearly out of the question. However, a company's worth is the present value of its future cash flows. This entails projecting future earnings and discounting it to the current. This intriguing idea can be easily applied to Tesla's automotive business. If the firm intends to sell 20 million cars annually by 2030, each producing, if Tesla can hit these numbers, it would be worth $4 trillion in 2030. However, that is still 7 years away as of 2023, and they are only making about $10,000 in profit, or $200 billion total. We can apply a 20 times earnings multiple on this, which is reasonable given that large technology companies have that kind of multiple today. Something that is worth $4 trillion in 2030 won't be purchased by investors for $4 trillion now. Since investors need a return of some kind, we would still need to discount Tesla's automotive business to the present. Using a 15 compound interest rate, we can get the amount investors should pay for just Tesla's automotive business today, which is approximately $1.5 trillion if our assumptions are correct. Of course, over the course of 7 years, a lot can change, and investors may not think that Tesla can turn a profit of $10,000 per vehicle by 2030. But again, owning a Tesla may require some level of imagination regarding what may be quite possible. However, it could be argued that investors disagree with at least some of the parameters mentioned, given that Tesla is currently trading at a market capitalization of about $600 billion. Profit per unit total income of $30,000 from the sale of 2 million units, $60 billion. If a profit is made, 50% margin for each unit, $15,000 would be the profit per item. If we multiply the earnings from the sale of 2 million units by 40, the total profit would be $30 billion. The Optimus bot company alone may have a market value of over $1.2 trillion. As AI technology advances and new ideas emerge, the variety and quality of Optimus's apps also increase. This leads to exponential growth in App Store sales, causing the PE ratio to drop year over year. If Tesla makes $3 billion in profit with 1,000 times multiple, the App Store alone could be valued at $3 trillion in 2030. Tesla has the potential to sell up to 5 million Optimus units by 2030. The first 2 million will be used to refine the robot's quality and increase production. The Optimus product alone, when paired with Tesla's earlier hardware estimate of $450 billion, might be worth about $1.6 trillion today. This is a valuation that investors might not have taken into consideration, even though it is 3 times higher than Tesla's current market size. Elon Musk gave the company the go-ahead to start developing the Tesla bot in the middle of 2021. By 2022, the primitive robot could already move boxes and lift objects in their factories. Looking ahead 7 years, there is still room for exponential growth, and Tesla has all the pieces needed to make this happen. But investors aren't accounting for the potential worth of the Tesla bot, which may skyrocket in value if Tesla shows its actual earning potential as a whole. People, that's right. Tesla's valuation may soon soar to unimaginable heights due to the company's potential earnings from the Optimus robot in the App Store and the exponential growth potential of the Tesla bot. We'd like to hear your thoughts on whether or not Dave Lee, a technology enthusiast and YouTuber, thinks that Tesla's Optimus robot has the potential to completely transform the robot industry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Wall Street Gains for more thought-provoking content on technology-related topics.